guys, how are you today? I hope you're all doing fine. Same me. And of course, today I want to teach you how to make a pie. What kind of pie? This is apple pie, okay? This apple pie, I will use a unique crust that not usually seen in the pies. Okay? These pies, I will use a donut pie crust. Okay? I think it is due for you to hear that a donut pie crust. But this is very different from the regular pie crust. It's very delicious, it's very different, very tasty. Okay? I want to share to you this recipe and I know you will like it. You know guys, why I'm thinking to make apple pie today? Because somebody gave me some apples and thank you for the apples that you gave me and you know who you are. Thank you so much and you're so sweet. Okay? And the apple also is so sweet. Thank you. By the way, I look at in the apples. That's why I was thinking why I did not make it apple pie. You know? But I was thinking I will not make this pie using the regular pie crust. That's why I was thinking to make an apple pie by the use of donut pie crust. Of course, I'm Chef Deborah once again, and I hope you always enjoy baking and cooking with me. For the ingredients, 220 gram of flour, 112 gram of unsalted butter, 2 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 12 gram of white sugar, 175 ml of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. For the procedure, mix all together all the ingredients to make a donut pie crust dough. Just blend it all together until all the ingredients are incorporated. Chill the donut pie crust dough for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare the peelings. We need 4 apples cut into cubes, 100 gram of white sugar, half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 10 grams of cornstarch. Put all together the ingredients to the pot. Simmer in a medium heat until the apple is become soft and thick. Now, the apple peeling is ready. Take out the donut pie crust dough from the chiller. Start to divide the dough. Weigh the dough for at least 60 grams each so that you can get the uniform in size. Start shaping and flatten the dough and put some apple peeling. Now, start frying the apple pie. The apple pie is ready. See? Look at inside. It's so delicious. In this recipe, I use a donut pie crust dough. So it's very different from the other apple pie crust. It's so good, you know. Try it in your home and you will see. It's so yummy. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching.